Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today to show you guys some new locks that I was sent from a company by the name of Xtrend on Amazon. Now, I have worked with them in the past, and they reached out to me and asked me to review their new locks. Now, I am way behind on new locks, and what I mean by that, I have companies that have contacted me that have sent me new locks that I need to install. And Xtrend is way down the line, so I told them that I would pretty much show my audience how the new locks look and leave all the details in the description box so you guys can head over to the Amazon store and get you some new locks. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, if you are familiar with Xtrend, they always send their hair in their bag. So this is how the bag looks. It says Xtrend. It has their website, and then down here it has their social media. Now, the new locks that I received is the 6-pack 22-inch soft locks. They are crochet. The color that I got, I believe, is 1B, and I have 6 packs. Now, this video is way overdue, so I don't know if the price has changed, but right now on Amazon, it says that it is $29.98 for these 6 packs of 22-inch new locks. Now, I don't remember at the time when they were sent to me if they had other colors. If they didn't, they do have other colors now. So they have it in the shade 27, the shade 30, and they have it in the shade 613, which is a blonde. So the locks come in these separate packs. Like I said, they did send me 6, so it comes in 6 of these, and these are how the locks look. So again, they are 22 inches. So this is how the locks look. They are really soft, definitely soft. And again, they are crochet. So if you're familiar with crochet, you can cornrow your hair and put them in like that, or you can do individuals with your hair. Whichever way you want to install them, you can. So yeah, these are really nice and soft. I will install them, but unfortunately it won't be anytime soon because I am super behind on my new locks. Like, I have probably 3 or 4 other packs. So I'm gonna be wearing, you guys know how I was wearing Passion Twist most of last year. That's how it's gonna be going into the new year with the new locks. Y'all really gonna see me with some new locks. So yeah, make sure you guys check the description box below if you are interested in purchasing crochet new locks from Xtrend on Amazon. I will leave the link down below. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really short and sweet. I just needed to show you guys how the hair looks, and of course leave you some details about the hair. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. And I will see you in my next one.